You're not tired because life is hard. You're tired because you keep fighting reality. The more you try to control life, the more it controls you. Let's talk about how to let go and finally feel free. We all try to control life. Our thoughts, our emotions, our future. But the harder we hold on, the more we suffer. What if freedom isn't about control, but about letting go? In this video, you'll discover how to let go and finally feel free. Welcome to Heads of Wisdom. There's a Zen story about a young monk who asked his master, "Master, how do I find peace?" The master smiled and said, "Let go of everything that's not you." "But what's not me?" asked the student. "The one who asks," said the master. The truth is simple, but uncomfortable. We spend our lives trying to control the uncontrollable. We control people. We control our image. We even try to control time itself. Yet control isn't power. It's fear, pretending to be strength. Think of life like the sky. Thoughts and emotions are the weather. Always moving, never permanent. You can't control the clouds, but you can remember the sky that holds them. That sky is your true self. The awareness beneath everything. When you let go of your need to control, something magical happens. You stop resisting what is. And in that surrender, you find peace. Letting go doesn't mean giving up. It means trusting the flow of life. Trusting that every wave has its rhythm, and every pause its purpose. Here's how to begin. Step 1. Notice when you're tightening, when you're forcing outcomes. Step 2. Breathe deeply. Inhale acceptance. Exhale control. Step 3. Ask yourself, what if I just let this moment be? Try it today. Just once. Let go of something small. A thought. A plan. An expectation. And watch what happens. Freedom isn't somewhere else. It's right here, when you release the need to hold. If this message resonated with you, subscribe to Heads of Wisdom, where timeless truth meets modern life. Because wisdom isn't something you find. It's what awakens when you finally let go.